shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning. Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, live from Minnesota this week. Here with the daily Dark Pool Whispers for January 27th, 2020. All right, so how many of you are surprised to see the futures down big this morning? Anybody? Let's see if anybody says anything in the room. You are, G-Ray? Sniper, no. Teresa, no. E-Man, no. Well, you're kind of new with us, right? Well, I did put an alert out on StockTwits and Twitter last week that we were below massive dark pool prints, and I highly recommended putting protection on. You know, whenever you see me doing that, put on protection. Okay, I don't say that every day. In fact, this is the 17th correction that I've called out of 17 in the past 5-6 years, actually. And so I don't call them too often. But when I do say that we're below massive dark pool print and I highly recommend you put protection on, it means you better put some protection on, unless you're all in cash and you don't need to protect anything. But I'm sure most of you do have some positions that need protecting. So let's get going, because this is going to be a volatile market and I want to give you these levels. So the SPY, we're going to be bullish above 325, and all these bullish aboves are all retracement trades. You know, we don't always just go straight down unless we have a meltdown today. Yeah, if we have a meltdown and the SPY is just unable to really lift up too much, yep, we'll just keep making lower lows. Yeah, that's uber bearish, but a lot of times, excuse me, a lot of times we may get a little bit of a lift. So retracement trade above 325 and bearish below 323.50 for the next big move down on the SPY. Let's go to the E-minis. All right, E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 32.50. All right, for a retracement trade. And bearish below 32.50. Yeah, it looks like we're going to roll again down. And we'll see what prints come in today as well. Let's go to the Russell. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cough. The Russell, we're going to be bullish above 164.50 retracement trade, and we're going to be bearish below 162.50. The Qs, bullish above 220 for retracement, bearish below 217.50. The Nasdaq futures, bull above 89.75, bear below 89.40. The Dow futures, bull above 28,725 and bear below 28,600. Oil, let's go to my oil futures. Just give me a sec. Swing that over here. All right, let me just make it big here. All right, oil futures, we're going to be bullish above 53.25. We had a lot of big spikes happening this morning, so I'd really want to be bullish above all that. And we're going to be bearish below 52.50. All right, key level there. Let's go to the gold futures. Gold hitting our targets for my Dark Pool Insights. I know a lot of you have that. I've been talking a lot about the gold prints coming in recently, massive activity. Let's just check out this weekly chart. This was huge. Remember, we talked about the fact that we have this trend line, and if we close above it, it would be the first time since 2015 or 14, I should say. Yeah. So this is huge. Yeah, really, really big. 1580 was my first target. We hit that this morning. But today for short-term trade, bullish above 1587.50 and bear below 1577.50 for a retracement. We might retrace back down to that trend line. All right, let's go to gold, because that really is the best way to trade it. GLD. Today I'm bullish above 149.25 and bearish below 148.25, just for a retracement trade for GLD. AMD has earnings tomorrow, so it could get some extra volatility today. Thank you, Teresa, for that call out, by the way. We're going to be bullish above 49.50 for retracement trade. Right, we could just go right up to this 50 or a little bit higher than that. And we're going to be bearish below 48.50 for a move down. Bank of America, it's been, oh, before we get to Bank of America, I got excited. Apple. Apple also has earnings coming up. I think it's tomorrow as well. We're going to be bullish above 312.50 and bearish below 310. We are below the most recent prints, 314.48. I talked about that in the Dark Pool Insights as well. Let me just double check on the Apple earnings while I got this open. Yeah, January 28th, tomorrow after the close. Yep, so be careful for Apple. All right. Let's go to my favorite, Bank of America. This is definitely my favorite stock to trade. The options are phenomenal. The dark pool is phenomenal. It trades great level to level. And we are going to be bullish only above 33 for a retracement trade. I'm definitely going to be taking some profit on those puts that I'm in. But bearish below 32.50. That's a key level. If we can't hold on to that. Remember, we had a 5.2 million print on this. 34.81. The big guy definitely sold at the top. We also had massive prints on XLF as well. That was in my insights a couple weeks ago. So finally, it is starting to move. Let's go to the next one, CGC. Thank you, Donda, for that call out. We had big prints on this one. 560,000. At 24.70. Obviously they were selling. Earnings are February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. We're going to be bullish above 22.50 for a retracement trade and bearish below 21.50. All right, save the best for last. TLT. I hope you guys have been trading TLT with me. I don't say holy cow putting videos out like that too often. And we did. We had a really big 6.6 million print, 138.82. We had another million, 139.95. We had a 500,000, 141.23. Another 500,000, 141.89. We are above all of those prints. This is uber bullish. However, if you're not in for a day trade, watch that 144 level. That's been my next target. On my Dark Pool Insights, if you recall, we were bullish above 140. First target 142. Second target 144. We came really close this morning. However, if we break above it, that's going to be a bull trade today for a day trade. Bearish below 143. There you have it. Today could be a dartboard day. Just get the dartboard out and trade. No, I'm kidding. Following the dark pool is definitely going to be the best way to trade. Keep yourself out of the trade. Your timing is going to be amazing. And until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.